Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to sort the dictionary using keys and values. For example, let's say I have one dictionary, that is my dict, equal to I have a dictionary that had some values in key and value structure, right? So I have some keys and values. So let's say here ball, right? I have a dictionary as this. So if I print the dictionary, here you can see ball 43 zebra. So this is one of the dictionary. Now I want to sort this using either ball, zebra is using the keys or values. Now first of all, let's see using keys. So we are using the keys to sort these dictionary items. So what should be the answer? It should be like, so this is the answer that we are getting if we want to sort the dictionary using keys. So A means the beginning, B and M and Z. So according to this, alphabetical sorting can be done. So how we can do that? We have already one dictionary. Now what we will do is sorted keys, let's say KUIS keys equal to, I can directly put it in the dictionary form. So I will make it as a dictionary, and here I can use the function sorted sorted provided by the Python itself. So sorted, then I want to pass the dictionary, right? My dict dot, I want to unpack them and passed, so that the key will be accessed, and according to the keys it will sort the values. That means the first one, it will work with the first items, either it is values or keys. It doesn't care about it, right? So it will access the ball, zebra, apple, monkey, and after that what it will do is sort. So now let's try it printing using sorted sorted keys. So let's see, I got an error, built-in function method object is not iterable. Okay, so it's passed as a function, it should be like a function. So apple, ball, monkey and zebra, so we get this same output that we have expected, because it is going through the keys, but not it will work if the same key, same lines of line is passed. Sorted key, okay, here we go. Sorted, let me make it val, my dict dot items. Now what it will do, still it will do the values, because it is accessing the first element, isn't it? It's not a way like, so we want to do the values, we cannot do, because the it will look for the keys and do for the keys. Now what we should need is, like, actually it's not working for us, right? So initially we can use list. So use list and tuple for this tuple. So we can use list and tuple to get the answer, right? So here if we go to create a list, let me make one, my list is equals to, so let's make an empty list, because we are storing. Now what is the concept is, like, taking these all values, okay, so taking all these values one by one, we are taking these values and passed it into the list as a tuple, making it tuple. So what we are doing, so here passing, or let's say appending the keys and values as a tuple, tuple in the list. So the list, so the generated list will be will be the list of tuple, right? So this is the logic that we are doing. So after that, the tuple will be now sorting the list and getting the answer, right? So list will be sorted. So we have created the list. Now what we want to do, we want to pass these all elements as a value key. So passing or appending the keys and value in the form of what? In the form of value and key, value value and key structure, because the sorted function takes the first val, right? So what we are going to do is, like, we have created, now let's make for keys and values. We access the key and values from it in what? My dict. So we are accessing the dict, right? My dict dot, we will unpack them, and right, so here we have unpacked them and get keys and values. Now if I print k and v, I can get these all keys and values separately. So in v we get the values, and in k we get the keys, right? So now I use my list to append, right? Dot, I can use append and passed one tuple, make one tuple and passed value and key structure. So what happened over here, the my list will get append with one tuple having value and key. So value and key means first value will be 43 and ball will be passed as like this. So here what will happen is 43 in the list, first item will be 43 comma what is that, 43 with ball, right? So this will be the first item in the list. So after this 43 ball and 43 ball comma, after that in the second place what will do, another tuple that will be like in the second zebra 1, so 1 and zebra, zebra zebra, and in this way the list will be created, right? Now we can sort it using this value. Okay, so here let me put this value in the sorted val equal to what I can do, sorted val is equals to, I can sort using sorted function to what, to my list. Now I can directly use my list, and yeah, that's it. Now I can print sorted val, sorted, sorted val. So if I do this, 1 zebra, 25, 43 and 213.